Dear traders, in this video I am going to tell you about an indicator that I found for the best scalping in TradingView, which is not only be used for the Forex but also for crypto and stock market. Before going towards the details of this powerful strategy, I want to tell you that which broker I am using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with XNES, you can get the five types of accounts. They are standard cent, raw spread, zero, and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods. Plus, they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So, if you are interested to open your account with XNES, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. First of all, you have to set the time frame on 1 minute, as this strategy works the best on 1 minute time frame for day trading. The indicators that we have selected, the first indicator is the Lin Reg MACD alerts. Lin Reg MACD alerts. You have to simply click on Lin Reg MACD alerts by brightening 115 and it will be applied on your chart. Here, this is the indicator that you can see. It is giving us buy and sell signals that are showing that whenever our market has the uptrend, it will give you buy signal, and when our market has the downtrend, it will give you sell signal for the entering into the market for buy or sell positions. We will go into the settings of this indicator. From here, we will change linear regression length from 11 to 2. Click OK. Now you have to go for the next indicator, and that is linear regression slope. You have to simply type linear regression slope version 2. This is here by Ux Gears. 2349 traders are using this indicator. This indicator will look like this. Here we will go into the settings tab and we have to change few of the things. We will change its curve length from 50 to 18. We will change its slope length from 5 to 1. And we will also change its signal length from 13 to 20. Click OK. And now our chart is ready according to our requirement. First of all, whenever you are going to take the position for the buy signal, what you have to do, you have to simply see or wait for the indicator to give you the buy signal. This Lin Reg MACD alerts will give you the buy signal. Then you have to look towards our linear regression slope. It has to give you green color candle that should be above zero level, and then you have to wait for the green candle to be formed in the market. If all conditions are fulfilled, then we have to enter into the position for the buy signal or for the uptrend. Conversely, if we see for the sell signal, as we can see here, our Lin Reg MACD alert has given us the sell signal. We have to look towards our linear regression slope indicator to give us this red color candle that will be below zero bar or zero level. Then we have to look towards our market to give us 2 red candles at least, and then we have to take the entry into the market for the sell signal or for the downtrend. This is for the bearish signal. If we see in any other market, let's see in the gold. As you can see, the linear regression MACD alert has given us the signal for the buy signal. Okay, we have to look towards our linear regression slope, as it has made only one candle, so we will avoid this signal to be traded. We have to wait for the another signal to be traded. Then here it has given us sell signal. We have to look towards down. If red color candle is formed under zero level in the linear regression slope, we have to wait for our market to form a new candle in the red color. If all the conditions are fulfilled, we have to take the entry for the sell position or for the bearish signal. This is all confirmed to enter into the position of sell signal, so we will be sure that we are going into the right direction. Okay, if we go into the AUD JPY, as you can see here, our linear regression MACD alert has given us the buy signal. We have to look towards our linear regression slope indicator to give us green color candles above zero level. Then we have to wait for our market to form green color candles. If all the conditions are fulfilled, we can take the entry for the buy position. And you can see that from here till here, it has made maximum profit as we have set the time frame on 1 minute candle. So this is all about this powerful strategy that is giving you the scalping strategy signals that are pure and correct. All eliminated or fake signals that are the cause of your losing trades will be eliminated here. So we will get only the pure or the correct signals to be formed on this by this indicator, and we will go for the only correct or accurate signals to be traded. This is all about my strategy today. I hope you like this video. If you like this strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my video and do use it for your own trading as well. Good luck from my side.